Installing a well-placed, attractive towel bar is an easy, affordable way to boost your bathroom's style and functionality. Here's what you'll need to hang one yourself. First, choose a location to hang the towel bar that's secure and within easy reach. And if possible, install at least one side into a wall stud for added stability. First, measure and mark the location height. While 48 inches from the floor is standard, you should adjust as needed. Next, measure the length of the towel bar. Then, mark where the bracket holes will be located. Use a level to ensure the marks are even. Now, using the appropriate bit, make pilot holes for each mounting bracket. And if you're using drywall anchors, gently tap or drill them into place. Using the hardware provided, firmly secure the mounting brackets to the wall with a drill or screwdriver. Next, using the set screws and wrench provided, secure the first bar holder to the mounting plate. After sliding the bar into place, secure the holder on the other side. After testing to make sure the bar is secure, hang your towels and enjoy. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.